I'm Tara Siring, Editor-in-Chief of Smile, the in-flight travel and lifestyle magazine of Cebu Pacific Air.
Cebu Pacific is the largest airline in the Philippines, operating over 400 flights every day. And every month, Smile reaches an average of 1.6 million passengers, flying to and from the airline's 37 domestic destinations and to 26 cities around Asia, the Middle East, and Australia. It's an award-winning magazine that showcases the most extraordinary destinations in the Philippines and around the region. So what's there to love about Smile? We deliver crazy amounts of travel inspiration for your next holiday, from fabulous big city adventures to relaxing weekend getaways and tropical beaches. We've got lots of helpful guides to tell you where to find the best eats in Seoul, the best buys in Siem Reap, or the most epic adventures out of Tokyo. We tell you where to stay, where to go, what to try, basically everything you need to know for a truly awesome trip. Plus, we've got some pretty amazing people to keep you entertained. We know exactly what readers want and need thanks to instant feedback from social media, lots of fan mail, and Cebu Pacific's state-of-the-art customer command center. Then we put everything we know into a magazine that understands our readers. Travelers read Smile when they're in flight and free from distraction. According to research, this is when recall is at its strongest.
So what does this mean for your brand?
It means that advertising in Smile delivers your message to your audience much more effectively. But Smile is more than just a magazine. It's an ever-expanding multi-platform community. We reach our audiences at every step of their journey. Before their trip through Smile's travel inspiration website called waytogo.ph, during their flight as they browse the magazine, and long after they've stepped off the plane as a resource companion through mobile. So welcome aboard Smile. We're very happy to connect with you.
See you in Smile!